page. Hi! Hello! If you win this competition, you have a medal. Okay. Number 1. What is a liquid that cannot be counted? Water. Number 2. What if you do when you push a classroom? I will do it and tell sorry to her. Number 3. What is the most beautiful place in the Philippines? Baguio. And Manila and Singapore. Number 4. What is a thing that have many pages? I don't know. Page. What? Like notebooks. Starts with the letter P. Pages. Pages. One more chance. Notebook? No, I already said sketchbook. That? Yeah. What is this called? Paper. Oh, okay. Next question, please. Number 5. What is the most hard subject? History and math. Yes. Number 6. You can take your time, miss. Pwede po. What is a little cat called? What? What is a little cat called? Kitten. Or kitty. What is a little dog called? Puppy. Number 7 yun. Number 8.
Ay, pinirong pala mo yung kuya. Hey!
That's Mr. Principal, right? Uy, pagkatapos na yan, ako na. Mag-aala ng questions. Okay. You can take your time. What do you call an animal that runs so fast with a long ear? Horse? Long ear. Kangaroo. Or rabbit. That's correct. 9. 9. Hi guys. Hardest. Okay. Spell difficult. D-I-F-F-I. C-U-L-T. For the number 10. That wasn't hard. Hi, Kate. What do you call a friend that is in the school? Pick me? No, let's see. Starts with the letters. What's your question again? What person is a friend and is at school? They always meet you every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Bro. Click me. No. Person. Gisela? Not names. Classmates. Yes. And teachers. Is it over? Yeah. I'm gonna ask you some questions. Wait. Here's your medal. Yay, guys! I got a medal. Okay, I'm gonna ask you several questions. Let me go there. Okay. What do you call? Number one. What do you call if there is a? What do you call? What is your reaction to God? Be happy and be kind. Correct. Okay. Now next. What is this is math number 2. What is number 1? 155 plus 945. Take your time. Oh, 1,000. It's okay if you're wrong. I will give you a medal. What? What is? I will give you an easy figures. What is 10 plus 10? Ay, 10 plus 5 po. Easy. Dapat difficult naman. Okay, number 3. This is an easy hanggang 5. Hanggang easy to. Hanggang 5. Okay, number 3. What is the easiest subject in school? What is the easiest subject in school? Geometry. And English. Okay. And Filipino, right? And now, 4th question. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna call your lola and lolo and your mama and your family? A. Opo at o. Opo. Po at opo. B. Opo at opo. Wait. Wala nang ganun. Okay. B. Lola. C. I don't know. D. I don't know. What letter? A. Correct. Can you start? Okay. 5th question. What are you gonna do if there was an earthquake? Hide at the heart table. Can you stand up for me? Okay, that's correct. Now, sixth question. What can you do if your mom is sick? Sick. Your mom has a fever. And what are you going to do? Help them get their medicine. Oh yeah, that's right. And seventh question. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Adobong chicken. Hey, can you do it? Okay, now what is your favorite sibling? I know your sibling. Sky? Nothing. Why nothing? I don't know them. But you know Sky and Zion. Yeah. Zion is cute. Okay. Seventh question. What can you do if kala ko pang 5 lang? Go Finn. Seventh question. What can you do? What is your reaction if you have high honors? Be grateful what you got. Okay, correct. Now, what are you gonna do if there is a monster under the bed? Hey, that's don't be afraid. Yeah, because monsters aren't real. Okay, that's all. Now you'll be the one who is going to ask questions. Certificate.
Kanyang gagalawin ka.
Certificate. Wala. Si Sir Principe. Bye-bye.